Hey, we're gonna take a look at Roblox on the Lenovo Flip 5 13-inch, and someone wanted to see if this game works and how it runs. Emergency response. Let's take a look at it. So yeah, I was running it. I don't actually know what you really do in this game. It's like, what do you do in this game? Or just do whatever you want to do? Okay. I did put on low settings. Let's see how it runs. Here's it loading. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's see. If there's any other games you want to see me run on this, see if it works, message me and I'll take a look at it. There's a lot of games that don't work already. So yeah, let's see. And here's it running. So yeah, let's see. The settings are on low, so let's see. Put on low, manual. Let's see how it runs on medium. So yeah, there's medium. Yeah, I don't really get this game. What do you guys do in this game? It is tablet too, so yeah. Let's see if we do frame rate or something. Performance, yes. Let's see. You guys see it? Nope. There's a ping, mem, sent, receive, CPU. There's no FPS on there for some reason. Yeah, I don't really get this game. Let's see if it runs better on a lower graphics. It's a little better. Cell phone. Yeah, I don't get it. Menu. Oh, there's the jobs for some reason or something. The fudge. Okay, let's go to a gas station. Map. Where's the gas station? Let's get a car if I can. Truck. Spawn. So there it is, and there's my car for some reason. Let's go. Let's figure out where to go. It just gives you money to play the game, which is really weird. I am using keyboard right now. Let's see. Pump fuel. So do you like get a job in this game or something? Start job. Push the button thing. See, with that setting on, I can't see the stuff, which is really annoying. So let's see. So what do? Do I fill stuff? Do we just stand here and do nothing? Because that's what it feels like. Doors don't even open. What kind of game is this? The fudge. And I'm stuck. I think I died. Did I die? Oh. Yeah, I don't really get this game. So yeah, there's it running. So yeah. Thanks for watching. See you guys.